In today's video, I'm going to discuss isotopes, isobars, isotones, isoelectronics, and isoester. The concept of isotopes was formulated by Soddy. Atoms of same element with same atomic number but different atomic mass are called isotopes. Let's suppose we have an element X. Atomic mass is denoted by A and atomic number is denoted by Z. In isotopes, A is different but Z same. Before we jump into isotopes, let's clear our concepts related to an atom and its mass as well as its atomic number. This is the structure of sodium atom. It has neutrons 12 and protons 11 in its nucleus. आउटरमोस्ट शेल को या आउटरमोस्ट ऑर्बिट को वैलेंस शेल कहते हैं. सेकेंड लास्ट शेल और ऑर्बिट को पेनल्टीमेट शेल कहते हैं. न्यूक्लियस और आउटरमोस्ट शेल के दरमियान जितने भी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हैं उनको इंटरवेनिंग इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कहते हैं. इन बिटवीन दीज शेल्स वेयर इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी इज 0 इज कॉल्ड नूडल प्लेन और नूडल सरफेस. जहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स पाए ही नहीं जाते उनको बोलते हैं नूडल प्लेन्स या नूडल सरफेस. किसी भी एलिमेंट के सिंबल लिखने के बाद टॉप पे एटॉमिक मास लिखा जाता है और बॉटम पे एटॉमिक नंबर. एटॉमिक मास इज नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स प्लस न्यूट्रॉन्स इन इट्स न्यूक्लियस and atomic number is number of protons. Sodium is the element of third period. In its first shell 2 electrons are present and its second shell 8 electrons are present and its third shell only 1 electron is present. Isotopes have same chemical properties, same number of protons. They can be separated by fractional distillation method, thermal diffusion method, gaseous diffusion method. They can be detected by Thomson parabola method, Aston mass spectrograph method, and Dempster method. Examples of isotopes are for hydrogen, protium, deuterium, and tritium with same atomic number but different atomic mass 1, 2, and 3 respectively. For oxygen, 16 and 18. For chlorine, 35 and 37. Are the isotopes of oxygen and chlorine respectively. Heaviest isotopes are radioactive in nature like C14 and O18. Let's discuss isobars. Isobars are atoms of different elements with same mass number but different atomic number. These elements have same A atomic mass but different atomic number which is represented by Z. They have different number of protons and neutrons, but sum of their protons and neutrons is same. They have different chemical properties, but physical properties related to mass are same. For example, argon, potassium, and calcium, they all have same atomic mass, which is 40, and different atomic number, which are 18, 19, and 20 respectively. Let's discuss about isotones, elements having different atomic number and mass number but same number of neutrons. For example, carbon, nitrogen and oxygen, C14 and 15, O16. They all have different mass number and atomic number but same number of neutrons. The number of neutrons can be calculated by atomic mass minus atomic number. Number of neutron for carbon 14 minus 6 is equal to 8. For nitrogen 15 minus 7 is equal to 8 and for oxygen 16 minus 8 is equal to 8. They all have same number of neutrons. Let's talk about isoelectronics. Elements having same number of electrons are called isoelectronics. For example, neon, sodium positive, O minus 2, methane, NH4 plus. They all have 10 electrons. Let me explain with the help of their structures. For neon, 20, 10, first shell has 2 electrons, Second shell has 8 electrons. Together they have 10 electrons. For sodium ion or sodium in the form of cation, first shell has 2 electrons, second shell has 8 electrons. Positive charge is present on the hole because it loses 1 electron from its outermost shell. For O -2, same sequence of electrons are present in its both shells. 2 electrons are gained, that's why it has -2 charge on the hole. CH4, it's methane, it's a covalent compound. In the covalent compounds, mutual sharing of electrons occurs. Each hydrogen atom mutually shares its electron with carbon. That's why it also has 10 electrons. In the form of ammonium ion, in the outermost shell of electron, nitrogen, 5 electrons are present. It normally makes 3 bonds to complete its octet, but in this ion, it makes 4 bonds. That is why positive charge is present on the hole, but it has 10 electrons on the hole. Now let's talk about isoesters, species or elements having same number of atoms as well as same number of electrons. ऐसे एलिमेंट्स, ऐसे स्पीशीज जिनके नंबर ऑफ एटम्स भी सेम हो, नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स भी सेम हो, उनको बोलते हैं आइसोएस्टर्स. All isoesters are isoelectronic species, but all isoelectronic species may not be isoesters. For instance, Cn negative, N2, CO, NO positive. They all have same number of atoms as well as same number of electrons. That's why they are called isoesters. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much.